Shemai everyone, happy Sunday. My name is Maria and I hope you're all having a nice day. If you've been watching our videos before, you can probably see that there's been a bit of a change of scenery in my videos, and that is because yesterday I flew back to Italy, my home country, just while things get sorted out. So today we're going to do some stretching and relaxation together, and that's just what I need after almost 20 hours of traveling. So as always, please make sure that you're wearing something comfortable, that you have enough space around you, and that you have read our disclaimer. This stretching is for everyone at every level. So if at any point you feel like anything is a bit too hard or you want to make things harder, then go for it. Just do whatever is more comfortable for you and whatever you feel confident doing. This is going to be a follow along kind of stretching, so just follow what I'm doing or listen to my voice and enjoy. Let's start standing up, and let's just roll the head just the front, one side to the other side. And then when you feel ready, do a nice circle all the way around. Make sure you do this both sides. Now start rolling your shoulders. First thing, just get your shoulders up to your ears and then start doing some circles. Go towards the front first and then go to the back. Now use your legs as well and start bending. Do big circles with your arms. Again, move towards the front, and then if you feel like it, you can start moving towards the back as well. Just do as many circles as you feel you want to do. Make sure you use your breath as well. Big breaths in from the nose. Now pick one elbow and stretch your arm to the side. Swap your arms and keep stretching. You can really feel this in your shoulders. Now start rolling from your head, all your spine, every single vertebrae. Once you're here, just bounce a bit and then come up. Again, every single vertebra. And down again toward your toes. Just reach as far down as you can. You can bend your knees if you want, or just one knee at a time. And stay here, take your time. Maybe each time you bend your knees, you can go a bit more to the back. You can move your head freely. And now start moving to the front of the mat. Push from your hands and stretch your back. Try not to just bend into it, but really feel again every single vertebrae flexing to the back. You can do this one more time. Try to have your spine as long as you can. Now get back and do a downward facing dog. You can bend your knees again. You can rise up on your toes. Do whatever feels more comfortable for you. And really try and push with your nose towards your knees. Get back to the mat once again and bend your back. This should really feel comfortable, so if you think you're pushing too much, just do a bit less, that's fine. From here, sit on your hips and reach forward with your fingernails. This should be comfortable on your hips. So once again, if this is not feeling very good, just take a break. Now move back again with your face toward your knees and come standing up. From here, take your right leg to the front and bend over. You should really feel this stretching in your hamstrings. Bend your right leg and get into the lounge position. From here you can do a kind of active stretching, bending and stretching your front leg, which should be your right at this point. This should help release your tension in the hamstrings. Do as many times as you need. Here you can see my Italian grandma walking at the back. She's bringing coffee to my family. And now change legs. So bring your left leg to the front and again go up and down from the lounge to the stretched position. From here, open your legs into a wide second parallel position and once again bend forward. Get up and then try and reach with your right arm towards your left leg. And same thing to the other side. This helps stretching your back muscles and your side muscles. From here, bend forward and grab your left foot with your right arm and stretch the left arm towards the ceiling or the sky if you're outside like me. And then do the same thing to the other side. Just keep stretching as much as you can, but also gently because we don't want to rip anything. Okay, now get up and sit. Grab your right foot and stretch it towards the ceiling again. You can bend here if you need and stretch. Maybe again, every time you stretch after you've bent, try and bring your leg a bit closer to yourself. At the same time though, try and keep your back really straight and change leg. Now, still from sitting, cross your left leg over your right leg and spiral towards left. When you feel ready, swap your legs. Remember to keep breathing. Okay, now grab your right leg, right toes actually, and flexing the foot. Just keep your back really straight and feel the stretching in the back of your leg. And do the same thing with your left foot. You can circle your ankles a bit towards the inside and towards the outside. You can point your feet if you feel like you need that. Now, bringing your arms up, reach forward towards your toes. The feeling you want to have is for your nose to be as far forward as you want. You are trying to have your back as stretched as you can and not too curved. Just stay here a few seconds. Now, just lay on your back and start breathing in and out, and feel like every joint is loosening, everything feels very heavy and it's just melting on the floor. And just stay here as long as you need. Keep breathing and go through every single muscle, every single bone, every single joint, starting from your toes to your head. Just stay here as long as you need. Alright guys, that was the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed and that now you feel more flexible and more relaxed. I definitely do. So yeah, stay safe, stay at home, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye!